while, but here I am for Adventures in Preservation, having an adventure of my own in Oslo, Norway. I'm at the Norsk Folkemuseum, the cultural history, open-air living museum right inside Oslo. And one of the cool things about this place is it was begun back in the late 19th century by King Oscar. King Oscar II. And he back then realized what an important heritage this was. Right here, each of the regions in this park are settled by different regions of Norway. Norway's long and skinny, so the styles from the north are quite different from the styles around the south. And even from the east side near Oslo and the west side near Bergen and Stavanger. Right here, we have the oldest dwelling here in Norway. It dates from around 1250. So we have the 12th century, 13th century here. And you can see as you come around how the styles change. This is the 16th century, 17th century, and here's the 18th century. More recognizable as a sort of a conventional house with the windows on either side. Also very important are the outbuildings, because the farming lifestyle, just like in many parts of the country before everything became urbanized. The cow house, the sheep cotes around the corner. Storage for grain, and all your best Sunday clothes go in the upper levels. And very distinctive, these pilings on the bottom. And my relatives over here. To keep the rats from coming in and getting that valuable corn that they took so much effort to make. Anyway, they've kept this up for over 150 years now, this particular museum. And people really appreciate and can come here and learn about their heritage, and they learn their traditional skills as they restore these buildings. And that's kind of what Adventures in Preservation is all about. Sort of keeping those traditional skills alive, letting just ordinary people like you and me come and learn how to do things and help maintain. And when we help maintain structures like this, we bring in tourists, we bring in the economy, we help revitalize an area. Now, they don't need our help here, but it is such a cool place to visit. So I recommend you, if you're ever in Oslo, come here. Anyway, there's so much to see in Oslo. So even in March, it's a beautiful day. For Adventures in Preservation, I'll sign off and hope you have an adventure of your own sometime soon.